An investigation into how a 12-year-old girl in Enfield died in March continues, but her stepfather was charged with serious sexual assault allegations prior to her death. The man was also a school bus driver in Enfield. And NBC Connecticut's Melissa Cooney has the update from court and concerns made from parents. Melissa.
Yeah, Amber. Well, Anthony Federline right now is being held on $1 million bond. Now, he was fired from his post as an Enfield school bus driver last week when he was arrested. But today I spoke with parents who say they're upset that he was working as a school bus driver at all while this investigation was ongoing.
We just wanted answers. We wanted accountability. We wanted some sort of transparency. We wanted answers from somebody.
Enfield parent Malcolm Maxwell Frechette tells us he and other neighborhood parents have a lot of questions as to why Anthony Federline, charged with sexual assault, was still driving children around during the 2.5-week investigation that ultimately led to his arrest. Last week, Federline was arrested accused of violently sexually assaulting his stepdaughter, Eve Rogers, who was found dead in her home the morning of March 18th.
We had our criticisms of his conduct and behavior towards the kids for a while.
Maxwell Frechette tells us they complained in person to Hazardville Memorial Elementary School about Federline in the fall, saying he was ill-tempered. Upon our request, Enfield School District provided what they say is the only complaint on file from Smith Bus Company about Mr. Federline, made by a different family in October. The complaint says Mr. Federline required kids to be quiet on the bus. After Federline's stepdaughter was found dead mid-March, Federline was still seen driving for the school district, something parents called the school about as the investigation was ongoing.
DCF was involved, and we didn't know why somebody working around children would still be there.
In a statement to families, the Enfield superintendent addressed the situation in part by saying, quote, Mr. Federline was removed from his position upon the district's notification of arrest. Prior to that time, the district was unaware that he was a person of interest. They also shared a statement from Smith Bus Company who says in part, we acted immediately and we are fully cooperating with authorities. Maxwell Frechette says this incident has been traumatizing for the community and that he wants to see more precautions taken to protect kids in the future.
It's terrifying still to this day. I'm glad that he's gone and he won't be driving the kids anymore, but it doesn't really make me feel any better about the situation.
And Enfield police say the investigation is still ongoing, and at this point, as of Monday, the cause and manner of 12-year-old Eve Rogers' death is still pending as well. We're live in Hartford tonight. Melissa Cooney, NBC Connecticut News.